walking my way to Rainbow Pools. I don't know what the hell that is, but I can hear it. I have no idea where I'm at. And I went to the gas station. The guy told me to come back here for some nice pictures. And then I saw some dude. He said it's 6 miles in. There's some waterfalls, so I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't even know where I'm at. Carlin Falls. That's what the sign says. So we're gonna give it a shot. See how it goes. Hopefully I don't get lost and end up on the news. Wish me luck, guys. Should be everything. Look at this big giant tree. I don't know why, it just looks cool. So far so cool. There's a creek along the trail, so we're doing good. Smells like pine in here. Pine and piss. But mainly piss. Look at all these trees. A lot of them were burnt down. Look at this giant ass tree. Look at this. Well, you can't see it, but it looks wide. It looks like it's about 6 to 7 feet wide. This guy I saw in the front, well, first of all, I don't know where I'm at if you're wondering. Some random ass forest outside of Yosemite Park. So I saw this guy at a trailhead and I asked him what they had inside. He said there were waterfalls and streams and whatnot. I said, all right, I'm gonna do it. This guy said it was 6 miles in and it took him 12 minutes. Who the hell runs 12 minutes? I mean, who the hell runs 6 miles in 12 minutes? I don't know. Anyways, I don't see any sign of any waterfalls, just a bunch of creeks, burnt ass trees. I mean, it's really nice out here, but I don't hear any waterfalls, so we're gonna walk another half mile and call it quits. Maybe a mile, I don't know. Check out how clear this water is. And this is where I'm gonna stop. Probably gonna eat a few snacks and call it a day because I'm lost and I don't want it to get dark while I'm driving, because driving here sucks when it's dark. There's a lot of turns and it's a little dangerous. So I'm gonna call it a night. Still don't know where I am. I'm gonna have to drive for I think 30 minutes before I can get some signal and figure my way home. All right, if I don't make it back and you see this video, this is it. This is it. This is where it ends. Such a nice day out here. This. Oreos, man. Get that blood sugar level up, yo. I'm gonna eat about 2 of these. 3. all the snacks. All right, thanks for watching. There's nothing else here. There's nobody here either. I'm just gonna eat this beef jerky. You can watch it if you want. Save it for later. Surprisingly, there are no mosquitoes out here at all. I'm right next to the water too. Oh, goodness. All right, let's get out of here. Looks like it's about to get dark. I need to hurry up. I don't want to get caught here in the dark not knowing anything. Let's get out of here, y'all.